Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Mazda CX-5 Maxx Sport, stock reference number 5055. The shape runs from the 2nd month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear non-park sensor type bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has two small dents, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, factory touchscreen, sat nav unit, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, non-sunroof type, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.